video will show how to use integration to compute area between curves. Actually, it's not 100% needed, but it's good always to draw the curves. So let's start with this, which is a parabola that we know very well. We put it here in blue. Okay, let me erase this because it has not gone through 0, 0. There are 0, 0. Y equals x squared. What about this? This is in behavior like parabola because x to the fourth is always greater than or equal to 0. And in a sense, one can think that it's bigger than the parabola. But let's see. When x is equal to 0, x to the fourth is 0. For x equals to 1, x to the fourth is 1. For x equals to 2, x to the fourth is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. While x squared is 2 times 2, which is only 4. So it's bigger. And you can keep going with different integers, and you see that x to the fourth is bigger. However, that's not always the case, because suppose we take something like x equals to 1/2. For 1/2, x to the fourth is 1 divided by 16, and x squared is 1 divided by 4. So here is smaller. So for x between 0 and 1, we have that x to the fourth is smaller than x squared. And for x greater than 1, x to the fourth is bigger than x squared. And the same thing with negative numbers. So let's draw here in a different color, green for example, and x to the fourth will go like this. Y equals x to the fourth, and the same thing here. It goes below and then goes above. It's not vertical, but anyway. So what are the intersection points? Intersection points are this point here, and this point here. Now, obviously, x to the fourth is the same as minus x to the fourth. So it's symmetric. The negative part is similar or equal in a sense to positive part. When negative part, I mean here x less than or equal to 0 and positive x greater than or equal to 0. So that means this area here is equal to this area. So we have that the area we're looking for, which is the 2 times the area for x between 0 and 1. Meaning the area will be 2 times the integral from 0 to 1 of one minus the other. Let's see. In this case, x squared is bigger, x squared minus x to the fourth dx. So it becomes 2 times x3 over 3 minus x5 over 5 between 0 and 1. So that's equals to 2 times, for this 1 is 1/3 minus 1/5. And let's put the 2 multiply everything. And for the 0 is 0/3 minus 0/5. Okay, this is for x equals 1. This is for x equals 0. So that's 2 times 1/3 minus 1/5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So that's 2 times 2 over 15. Or the area is equal to 4 over 15.